Hi guys, now we're going to do my part 3 drama from the lockdown.
What's guys? Okay.
Beep 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 beep.
Hello mga babies. Kiss 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 si nanay. Kiss 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 si nanay. I will go now. Just behave here. Actually, I have 3 childrens now. I have one adopted here because this one found in the street gala, so nobody is taker for him now, and then I will talk and bring here on my house.
I just give you that 3 toys.
Yeah,
I give you
have
one last
adopted
because I
child here. So there are 3. Tatlo nang bubuhayin ko. Kailangan magkayod na ako sa aking trabaho. Bye, guys. Bye, nanay.
So funny.
God bless. Take
So
care.
funny.
Oh, no. There's the Lola. Sir, can you help? Can you help? Please? Sir, help me to crush this shit now. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh no, there's the Lola crossing on the street. Oh no, why there's a lot crossing on the street? Oh, maybe it's fiesta. Fiesta? Celebrating their fiesta? Oh no! In the lockdown? They are enjoying. They are enjoying their fiesta. Oh no, that's not good. Enjoying your fiesta in lockdown. I'm just asking, ma'am, this is fiesta. Why is a lot of people here?
Because we are the people who are crossing the street and getting food.
Oh no, I thought it's a fiesta. You are making a line for getting your food from your captain and from their mayor. Oh no, I thought it's fiesta. I'm sorry, ma'am. I cannot go there, ma'am, because it's traffic. So maybe I turn here. Maybe here, ma'am. Can I going to Makati? Where's the way to Makati that I will not cross there? So just you turn here. Can I turn here, ma'am?
Yes.
Oh no, thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Oh, ma'am. Ding dong, ding dong.
Yes.
Ma'am, where's your delivery?
Oh,
There's
thank you.
1 sack of rice. Ma'am, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you din, ma'am.
Have lovely rice. Whoa, you.
Oh no, why that old woman is always walking. It's not waiting her turn. Maybe it's hungry. Ay, maybe it's hungry. I'll be back. Hey Lola, how are you? Lola, come back, Lola. Come back, Lola, come here.
What? Another Lola.
Why? I want to.
Nothing? I want nothing?
I don't know how to speak. Old woman. I want to make a run to find my food, but they didn't give me where to get my food. Okay, Lola, don't worry. I bring you on the frontliners. Hi, sir. Ma'am, can you help this old woman, please?
For what?
To helping to bring this Lola to the line to get the food first because she's very hungry. Please.
Okay.
Oh, thank you, sir, ma'am. Thank you. Hi. back. I'll be back. Take her, Lola. Take her. God bless you. God bless you. Okay, here, I'll be back home. Oh no, I forgot one of my delivery. Oh no, it's late. It's almost 6 o'clock. Oh no. You turn. I'll be back. Oh no, maybe here. Oh no, I forgot. Ding dong, ding dong. Ding dong. Nobody's here. Oh, walang tao. No. Anyone's here? Walang tao. Ding dong, ding dong. I was asking here. Oh. Ma'am, good evening. This is Miss Summer.
No.
You are Miss Summer?
Butterfly butter.
Okay, butterfly.
Butter.
This is the mother of Summer? Oh yes, thank you. This is your delivery. This is your delivery. I'm hurry up, ma'am. Thank you for understanding. This is your delivery, ma'am. It's too late na, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. I'll go home. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, I'm go home now. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Good evening, Nanay. Good evening. I miss you, Nanay. I miss you. I miss you too. I miss you too, mga anak.
Where's lunch, Mommy?
Okay, we will get inside and we will eat. I have something here. I have some food to bring here for you. Okay. Here, we'll eat together. Good night. See you next time.
Bye, good night. I'm actually making these people eat.
Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.